Best winter destinations in Pakistan. Pakistan is a country of true natural beauty, home to some fantastic mountain peaks, lush green landscapes and archaeological sites for the truly curious. There isn't much else you could ask for from the ultimate adventure destination, but unfortunately, due to the amount of negative press Pakistan receives, it is still untouched by Western tourism. The first thing people think of when they consider winter getaways is skiing or snowboarding at the best ski resorts. Despite being small, Pakistan has some fantastic ski resorts waiting to be explored this winter. Pakistan is one of those countries that is blessed with the opportunity to enjoy all four seasons. Various natural wonders that the country has to offer enthrall travelers. Therefore, we bring you a list of 5 most popular places to visit in winters. One. Malam Jabba Ski Resort. Malam Jabba Ski Resort is the most alluring and the first ski resort in Pakistan. With several skiing slopes, it's one of the most popular winter destinations for outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers. In addition to skiing, vacationers can do trekking, hiking, or rock climbing. The mountain has a height of 9,199 feet. Skiers may experience many of the best skiing conditions at this location. They love enjoying skiing and snowboarding at Malam Jabba in the wintertime when the snow is rigid and stiff. Two. Fairy Meadows Ski Resort. The Fairy Meadows Resort is a favorite among visitors because it has a stunning view of the Nanga Parbat in the distance and a beautiful meadow on one side. The ski track is surrounded by snow-covered peaks, which adds to the resort's undeniable beauty. The resort is situated 3,300 meters above sea level. It provides beautiful sights of Nanga Parbat. the world's 9th highest mountain summit. With its advanced snowmaking facilities and well-groomed slopes, Fairy Meadows Ski Resort is ideal for both beginner and experienced skiers. Three. Naltar Ski Resort. One of the top ski resorts in Pakistan, this one is tucked away in the breathtaking Naltar Valley. It's perfect for beginners and intermediates, with various slopes to suit all levels. The resort has several slopes of varying difficulty. Its highest point is 2,950 meters above sea level. It has functioned as the primary site for the Pakistani Ski Union. Additionally, it is where the Pakistan National Ski Tournament is held, bringing skiers from all around the globe to the Naltar Ski Resort to show off their skills. Snowboarding, ice skating, and ice hockey events are just a few of the winter sports practiced in this resort. Four. Shimshal Ski Resort. It is one of Pakistan's popular ski areas. The country's northern region is where the resort is situated. For skiers of all skill levels, it offers a selection of slopes. From Islamabad, the travel to Hunza would take 22 hours. You will need to continue your walk for another 6 hours to get to Shimshal Ski Resort. However, it takes roughly 207 kilometers to travel from Gilgit Airport to Shimshal Ski Resort. Five. Nathiagali Ski Resort. One of the most well-known ski resorts in the nation is Nathiagali Ski Resort, which is located in the Nathiagali region of the Pakistani Himalayas. Beautiful mountain views may be seen from the area. Guests can enjoy skiing and snowboarding on its slopes all year round. Mushkpuri and Maranjani mountain peaks are visible from the resort, perched on a 200-meter slope.